Welcome back. For today's deep dive, we're doing something a bit different. We've got a source, just one, a product description.
Yeah, specifically for the SILVERCUTE small sterling silver initial necklace.
Exactly. And our challenge is to see what we can unpack from just that. We're talking material science, utility design, all from, well, marketing copy.
It sounds maybe a little thin for a deep dive, but every detail in there, especially the technical bits, reflects a deliberate choice. Our mission really is to get at the why behind those choices.
Okay, let's dive in. The core idea is pretty clear. It's a small, dainty uppercase initial pendant. Meant to be meaningful, right? For a name, an initial.
That's the hook, the emotional angle. But the promise hinges on the material. They call it premium 925 sterling silver.
Right, that 925. What does that actually tell us?
Well, 925 is the key. It's an international standard. It means the metal mix is 92.5% pure silver. The other 7.5% is usually copper, added to give it strength, hardness.
Ah, okay, so that's where the promise of durability comes from. And that lasting shine they mentioned.
Precisely. Pure silver is actually quite soft. The alloy makes it practical. Now, they also say it's tarnish resistant and hypoallergenic.
Okay, hold on. Tarnish resistance. Isn't standard sterling silver, 925 silver, known for, well, tarnishing, turning blackish over time? How do they manage that?
That's a really good point. Standard 925 can tarnish. So what they often do, though it might not be explicitly stated in a short description, is add a final plating. Usually rhodium.
Rhodium, like platinum.
It's in the platinum group, yes. Very hard, very white, and crucially, very resistant to tarnish. It adds that bright finish and protects the silver underneath. But highlighting hypoallergenic, that's pure strategy.
How so?
Well, think about the market. This is an everyday, potentially wear-all-the-time item. Ensuring it won't irritate skin is critical for reaching the widest possible audience. It removes a barrier to purchase.
Got it. So the material science supports the everyday wear promise. Okay, let's shift to the mechanics, the chain. They're very specific. Adjustable 16+2 extender.
Yeah, that precision isn't just for the customer. It's smart inventory management.
How does that work?
A standard 16-inch chain is a popular length, sits nicely near the collarbone on many people, but adding that 2-inch extender, usually controlled by a little lobster clasp.
Which they do mention, a sturdy lobster clasp.
Right. That little extender gives you a range from 16 inches, like a short princess length, or even your choker, up to 18 inches, which is a more standard princess length.
So with one single product, one SKU.
Exactly. They cover multiple preferred lengths and fit variations. It makes it much more versatile for layering, too, which is a big trend. It's engineered flexibility.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so we have the material, the adjustable hardware. What about how they position it? The context.
Gifting, that's huge here.
They really lean into it. The list is comprehensive: birthday, anniversary, Christmas, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, graduation.
They've basically ticked every box on the calendar, haven't they? It's positioned as the go-to sentimental gift.
The safe bet gift.
Kind of, yeah. Think about it. Simple, classic design, the personal touch of an initial guaranteed quality within the 925 silver, and that adjustable fit removes sizing worries. It lowers the risk for the person buying the gift.
Plus, they mention it works for casual and formal wear.
Right, maximum versatility again. They've essentially engineered it to be suitable for almost anyone, for almost any occasion. It's accessible, thoughtful, hard to go wrong.
Okay, let's quickly recap the core insights from this description. First, that 925 sterling silver isn't just marketing fluff. It's a standard ensuring durability and comfort, likely boosted by plating.
Second, the 16+2-inch adjustable chain isn't just about fit. It's strategic design for broader appeal and simpler inventory. Smart business.
And finally, the whole package is explicitly framed as this universally appropriate, low-risk, high-sentiment gift for pretty much any event you can think of.
Absolutely. So wrapping this up, here's something for you, the listener, to consider. This small initial pendant, it carries a lot of symbolic weight, right?
Yeah, identity connection.
Exactly. So reflect on that enduring appeal. Why do we as a culture feel this pull to wear initials our own or someone else's? And maybe think about how materials like sterling silver, being relatively